Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. Look at that sparkling water. This is Englewood, Florida. We're gonna go walk at a place called Stumps Pass down here. Look, isn't that so pretty? So pretty. Here we go. Nature path, 1.3 miles one way. Catch anything? Is this where we go? Down in here? Wow! Looks like we're in Hawaii or something. The Caribbean. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just remember, I did not bring a change of clothes today. Okay. Huh? Yeah. How's it feel? Best fishing place ever. It's like a tropical island paradise. Becca, don't get too wet. How's it feel?
I have to pull my hands up because if they're all the way down here and I go. My hands are up here.
And there's the end of it. Shark's teeth. Oh, cool. Wow. You found shark's teeth too?
Whoa.
It's pretty big.
Wow.
Put them in here.
Yeah. You found shark's teeth too?
But I don't know where to put them.
Oh, probably in this bag that Caleb has. What's this one? Oh, a brown shark's tooth. Cool. Thanks. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Is it a ladyfish?
Yeah.
great fish. He looks like he's trying to breathe.
Put a really hard fight.
Well, you got him. Good job. More than ever. I wonder what the brown kind is.
Yeah.
I know. Look at all the brown ones. It's cool.
I need my shirt on. It's getting windy.
Yeah, it is. Okay, we can put it on. See if he catches anything in that shark's tooth catcher. Take home. Can you take them home, Nate? I think they're a little stuck.
What?
I think they're a little stuck. What do you think? I thought we could use them for the back porch.
There's like 3 whole other steps under here.
Really? There's 3 more? Man, that'd have been perfect. I need those for the back porch. Go help them. It's windy out here on the beach. Blowing around, blowing around. Anyway, this little shell tree up here that you can hang your shells on. People are hanging shells on them. So Caleb brought a little shell with a hole in it to hang on one of the branches. It's like a Christmas tree. Cool! Wow! And you got another one?
Want to hang another? Oh no, those aren't hanging.
Wow, that's pretty cool! No, the shells didn't grow. People hung them here. Your little nose is all red from the sun.
Can I put this one up? That has a hole in it.
Yeah, you can. Put it wherever you want.
Put it over here. Look at you. Really going crazy.
Shark's teeth!
He's doing good.
Those other ones out too?
Now get Mom and Dad's for some
Those other
lunch.
chips.
I don't
The
know.
quinoa ones.
I think so. I think that's anything.
Look good?
All right, shall we ask the blessing and then?
We should.
Oh, look at that haystack. You must be starving.
Mama,
Is it good?
That's kind of big too, huh?
Mama,
Uh-huh.
2 more black olives. They're so good.
What?
Can I jump in? Can I
Why?
jump in? I want to jump in so bad.
You don't have a change of clothes.
But I have a towel.
What happened?
Becca was chasing me as fast as she could. And I was looking behind me, and I wasn't looking in front of me.
Last time you were here, you couldn't.
And I flipped right in. Can I jump in though? No, but I can jump in at the
I guess as long as you don't mind being wet.
You want to jump in? I guess as long as we can get dry again. Let's jump in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Psych!
Ready? We're gonna jump in each time. Ready? At the same time. Ready? I can't jump in. I don't want to. I can't. Let me just see your head. We're gonna jump in. No. I can't. You did it.
You warm now? So we'll swim some more.
You gotta swim to be warm.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
And Nathan is all with you.
Let's see if we can go as fast as we can.
You can swim. You just did. You're a winner! You're a winner! Little buddy not feeling good again. Poor little buddy. So unfortunately, the little buddy here isn't feeling too good again. I don't know, he's been running a fever and coughing again, so yay for that. We thought we left the flu far behind us in Tennessee, but unfortunately, that's not always the case with sickness. So yeah, we went through several weeks worth of the flu in Tennessee. It was pretty awful. I was terribly sick. And anyway, it seemed like everybody was doing really good, but yeah, just today he all of a sudden started coughing again and fever, so that's not cool, not cool. Well, we were gonna go out to eat, weren't we? But change of plans and we ordered in, huh?